It's not bad. It's just very subtle vanilla, but it's not bad. You're always cleaning your house, but you don't understand why there's still odor trapped inside. Oh yeah, so let me tell you what you are going to do. The very first thing you are going to do, the first thing you are going to do is to ensure that you throw out your trash cans and you ensure that the trash can is clean, because your fish, your iru, everything can be inside that trash can and it smells. The second thing you want to do is that open your windows. Just open it, don't worry, open it, let the air come inside. Let's have that cross ventilation. Do that. Then the third thing you can do, you could get charcoal or coffee bean, but I know most of us may not be able to access coffee bean, so get charcoal. Now when you get charcoal, put it inside socks, put them in different locations in your house so that it can absorb the odor. It helps. Then you can now make use of things like gel absorbers like this. It smells good, so it adds to absorbing the odor. It's not going to make the place smell like those like a fragrance candle or diffuser, no, but it's going to absorb any odor that you don't like, so it's easier. Then you may want to also get candles. If you are into burning candles, you can burn candles. In the north they have this fragrance incense sticks that they burn. It's also very nice. Just burning around the house, it's not spiritual, it's just to make your house smell nice. Then you can also get diffusers, okay, and just place them in strategic locations. But the first thing, you need to ensure that there's cross ventilation coming into the house. That then you can put like cotton balls, that's cotton wool, just put fragrance in it, spray it, and just put it in different locations, so it will make your house smell better. I was thinking about how God has shown himself as Jehovah Jireh to me many times. It's so easy to not remember the times that God came through. And I was just thinking about it, like, look, there have been times that I didn't have anybody to say, oh, please help me with this thing or help me with that thing, and God just came through. So I was thinking about it this morning. I was like, Jehovah Jireh. It's been a long time that I've mentioned those words, like Jehovah Jireh, God my provider. So let me tell you this story while we make this wrap. So I was in 200 level in university and I needed a laptop. So at that time, myself and my friend, we were space mates. You know how in university now, you and somebody, you're in the same room and you're sharing space depending on the level. I don't know how it is in other schools, but in the school that I went to, so if you like, how do I put it now? Those in 300 levels, they had their own corner, while those in 100 levels corner was really very small, so you had to share. So myself and my friend, we were sharing our corner. So at that time, everybody or most people had laptops. I didn't have a laptop, so I was really desiring a laptop. I'm praying to God that God, please give me a laptop. I want a laptop. Everybody has a laptop. I don't have a laptop. So I can't remember everything, but I remember what I remember was that one day I told my friend, like, I'm going to create space for this laptop. And I had this small locker. Locker is like a wardrobe or a cupboard, like, yeah. So I had this small locker that I used to keep my box on top. So I didn't have like the big locker that other people had. So I used to keep my box on top the locker. So I now told my friend that I'm going to create space for my laptop inside this locker in anticipation that the laptop was going to come. So at this time, I had not asked anybody. I had not asked my mom. I had not told my mom that I want laptop. It was just something that I and my friend were discussing. Like, everybody has laptop. Me too, I want laptop type of thing. So as God will have it, one day after I had been practicing or putting out my faith that I'm going to get a laptop. So a random day, my mom just calls me and like, Tope, come home. That there's something I want to show you. So I was like, yeah, okay. And my school wasn't really far from my house. So I now went home. That was how my mom was now sharing testimony with me that somebody called her and was like, oh, whether it's relocated, I can't remember the full story, but it had laptop for sale, whether she would be interested to buy. So she was like, Tope needs laptop. And she got me this HP Pavilion new. At that time, that HP Pavilion was like the way people are using MacBook now, and that was like and that was how I took my laptop to school. And so when I was thinking about JEHOVAHJIREH, that story came back to me, and like, see, if I had gone to meet my mom first, she would have told me I don't have money, I don't have that. Actually, she didn't have that money because she bought the laptop at a fraction of what that laptop should have ideally gone for. So JEHOVAHJIREH, I just want to encourage somebody, I don't know who this is for, but if you're in a situation where you don't know where your supply is going to come from, remove your expectations from anybody. Like, I know how it can be where you're like, oh, maybe this person is going to help me, or just remove your expectations from those people and put your expectations on Jehovah. Even me, I forget these things. I think that's why the Holy Spirit reminded me of that story. Many stories of JEHOVAHJIREH. Maybe we would do a series. So just follow me, okay? But JEHOVAHJIREH, God my provider. Then another name of God that I love is El Shaddai, the God of the fields. And when you take God as your means of supply, He would always come out.
You know how God is be? Governor, they work 24 hours from the clock. Anything